Namaste yogis and welcome to Laura Baumann Yoga. Join me in this 5-minute gentle chair yoga for beginners. All you need is a chair. Plant your feet firmly into the floor, and as you sit at the edge of your chair, make sure that the knees are directly above the ankles and that the knees are in line with the hips. Sit up tall, lengthen the spine. Inhale through the nose, lift your arms up, and as you exhale through the nose, let your arms come all the way down. Let's do that again. Inhale through the nose, arms are coming all the way up. Exhale through the nose, let your arms come all the way down. Wonderful. Continue to mirror me for the following flow. With your left hand, hold on to your chair, ground down through your sitting bones. Inhale, reach your right arm up towards the sky. Exhale, hold. Inhale, reach up, lengthen the spine, and exhale, side body bend to the left side. Keep breathing. And you might have to adjust your left hand on the chair, higher or lower, whatever works best for you and your range of motion. Keep grounding through your right sitting bone. And then inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Right hand on a chair. Inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, hold. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, side body bend to the right side. Again, reposition your right hand. You can go lower, higher. Keep rooting down through your sitting bones, especially the left one. And inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release. Inhale, bring your arms up at shoulder height. Then bend the elbows and hold on to your shoulders with your hands. Exhale. Draw circles with your elbows. Doesn't matter which direction, we'll do both sides. Do a few more. Keep breathing. And then switch direction. Relax everything else you don't need right now. Relax your face, relax your jaw. Stay connected with your breath. Well done. And lower your hands down. Place your hands on your thighs. Inhale, reach your right arm up and gently hold on to your head with your right hand. Exhale, right ear goes to your right shoulder. Keep breathing and release any tension on the exhales in this neck stretch. Take one more deep breath. And then with your right hand, gently push your right cheek back to center and then switch sides. Inhale, reach your left arm up, hold on to your head. Exhale, left ear goes to your left shoulder. Keep breathing, keep working with your breath, letting go of any tension and stress in the neck. Relax your face and relax your jaw. Last deep breath. And then with your left hand, gently push your left cheek back to center. Release your hand down. And let's get ready for a seated twist. Keep your hip bones facing the front. Inhale, reach your arms up, and as you exhale, twist your chest to the left side. Right hand comes down to your left knee, and with your left hand, hold on to your chair. Keep your spine nice and long, and slightly look over your left shoulder. Keep grounding through your feet. And inhale, reach your arms up, switching sides. Exhale, twist to the right. Place your left hand on your right knee, and with your right hand, hold on to your chair. Again, keep grounding through your feet and sitting bones, and the hip bones are facing the front. Gently look over the right shoulder. Take a few deep breaths. Twists are great to keep mobility in the spine and to gently massage our internal organs. Inhale, come back to center, reach your arms up, and as we exhale, start folding forward from the hips. Drop your head down. With your hands, hold on to your lower legs, ankles, feet, or place your hands on the floor. Take a few deep breaths and relax your neck. Take one last deep breath in this forward fold. And then place your hands on your legs. Walk yourself all the way up so you're sitting up tall. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. And let's close our chair yoga flow together. Inhale, reach your arms up towards the sky. Exhale, join your hands together. Draw your hands down in prayer position in front of your heart. Thank you so much for practicing with me. And may this yoga practice be a blessing to you. Namaste.